Hi everyone, happy Sunday. It's the last day of November. I'm Dan Skoff, the Chief Meteorologist of KNWA and Fox 24. We had record-breaking warmth today. High temperatures hitting the lower 70s in Fayetteville, breaking a 44-year record set back in 1970 of 70 degrees. We do have temperatures dropping as I speak as a cold front is racing through northwest Arkansas. The time of this recording is at 5:44 in the afternoon, November 30th. Temperatures in the upper 50s in Fayetteville. When I was doing the 5 o'clock newscast and had the weather segment around 5:10, it was in the upper 60s and temperatures quickly dropped off into the upper 50s. Notice those temperatures in the mid 40s in Siloam Springs and Bentonville, 41 in Grove. In fact, the temperature at Jay dropped 10 degrees in 5 minutes. Now, as we look at the rest of the region, you have 20s in Wichita, 21 in Goodland, 26 in Kansas City, and it's even colder across the nation in the northern plains, single digits in Billings and Bismarck, and nearly single digits in Minneapolis. All right, so we have the cold air. It's racing in, and it's going to be affecting us throughout our Monday. But we also have a weather system that's swinging in from the west, so we have that freezing rain potential on Monday. Here's why. A low pressure system is skirting in from the west. That combined with the cold air at the surface, that shallow cold air continues to remain in place. As this system starts to march eastward, we're going to have that potential for freezing rain and some freezing drizzle. Now let me show you here on the satellite and radar, you can see the increase in cloud cover across the southern plains. This is in response to that weather system that's moving on to the west coast, and I want to show you our future track here and bring it in local and show you that we do have a winter weather advisory that's in effect for that potential for freezing rain and freezing drizzle. It starts at midnight in northwest Arkansas, it goes until 4 o'clock on Monday afternoon, and the winter weather advisory goes until 6 o'clock in the evening for Boone and Newton County. So our setup for this event is we have a warm layer of air that's above freezing at about 2,000 to 3,000 feet, and then we have this shallow cold Arctic air that's rolling in from the north, and that is below freezing. And so in the river valley it's going to be mainly liquid because the precipitation will be above freezing as temperatures will be above freezing at the surface. But in northwest Arkansas we have a thin layer of cold air at the surface, and so as that precipitation melts into rain in that warm air and then refreezes on elevated surfaces, including some bridges and overpasses. So how much are we expecting? Let me stress and let me reiterate, this will not be a significant event, but temperatures will be dropping into the mid and upper 20s in Benton County, and that freezing rain potential will start to develop early Monday morning. Notice how it kind of lasts throughout Monday late morning into the afternoon, and you can see that freezing rain potential lingering in Boone and Newton County through about noon, and then it's just freezing drizzle after that as that system moves off to the east. So not a whole lot of what we call QPF, not a whole lot of precipitation, but still enough to create some slick bridges and overpasses. The total ice accumulation throughout the morning into the afternoon, anywhere from 1/100th of an inch to about 7/100ths of an inch. I don't think we see many areas that are going to be far over a tenth of an inch, but there could be a few isolated areas in Boone, Newton County, as well as Madison and Carroll County that could pick up about a tenth of an inch of ice. Now the winds will be blowing very strong tomorrow, northeast about 10 to 20, but this is not going to be a significant event. A winter weather advisory is less serious than a winter storm watch or a winter storm warning. This is not an ice storm. This will not be like the ice storm in 2009. We just don't have a strong enough system. But there could be some slick bridges and overpasses for your morning commute. A few of the roads, the rural roads, could also become slick. So make sure you take it easy on your ride to work tomorrow. I'll have another update coming up on the news and, of course, throughout the night and into the morning on Monday. So keep it here with your weather authority, and we'll keep you up to date with the latest.